Alright, hello, we're here with Eastvan Drone. We're here in Richmond, BC, the south side of Richmond, right next to the BC Ferries repair shop. I say repair shop, it's huge, it's massive, and then they've got about 3 or 4 ferries in there right now. We're gonna go up and have a look, see what they've got, see how big these boats are. And these are the ferries that go from Vancouver Island all around the province. And we're going to have a look. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for liking, and here we go. Alright, I found myself another location here. I'm going to fly them a lot closer to the ferries, and I'll see if I can fly here without getting bothered by anyone. Thanks for watching Eastvan Drone. We got some better shots of the ferries. Got it in a little closer. Sometimes you have to do that little bit extra to get those shots. Thanks for liking the video. Thanks for subscribing. We'll say adios, sayonara, hasta pronto. We'll see you later.